Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the image and immediately duplicating the background layer so you never lose the original. Once done, check Image Resize to set resolution and canvas for your final use, print, or web. Make sure to name layers clearly and enable history for undue safety. You're preparing the workspace to avoid mistakes later, which speeds edits and makes comparisons easy. Now you're ready to jump into tonal and color corrections with confidence. You correct exposure first. Go to adjustments levels or curves and drag midtones to recover detail, because accurate tonality anchors every other edit. Next, refine color with color balance and hue/saturation to neutralize casts and boost subject tones. Subtle moves avoid posterization. For local fixes, use the clone stamp and healing tools on a new layer so you can blend texture without damaging pixels. Once you finish these steps, your image will look natural and ready for final polish. You finish by sharpening selectively. Duplicate the top layer, apply unsharp mask and view at 100% to judge clarity versus noise. Once satisfied, save a layered PDN for future edits and export a flattened JPEG or PNG at desired quality settings for delivery. If something goes wrong, halos, grain, or color shifts, undo, lower the effect strength, or use a gentle noise reduction before reapplying. This approach preserves detail while avoiding common export pitfalls and keeps a safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.